A genius trick with hot dog bun that everyone should know. Start by adding a 240 milliliter cup of hot milk to 4 hot dog buns and mash everything very well until smooth. This is the right consistency. Now, in a small bowl, add 1 whole egg, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, a generous pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix everything very well until smooth. This is the right consistency. Then, in a large bowl, add the bread we dissolved earlier, the mixture we prepared, 1 kilogram of ground chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and mix everything very well until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right mix. After doing that, transfer this mixture to a countertop lined with a plastic bag. Cover it with another plastic bag and flatten it using a rolling pin, leaving it not too thin nor too thick. It should look like this. Now, cut it into smaller pieces using a dough cutter in the shape of your choice. Place in the freezer and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. After the time is passed, bread each one of them. First, dip them in water. Then coat them in panko breadcrumbs. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. After that, place them into a large skillet over medium to low heat filled with hot vegetable oil and fry them until golden brown. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.